How to stop sharing your location on Google Maps. The first and foremost step is to check if your Google Maps is updated or not. To do so, click on Play Store, then click on search bar and type out Google Maps. Once you do that, tap on Google Maps app and see if your app is updated or not. As you can see, my app is already updated, so I don't have an update option, but if your map is not updated, you'll have an update option. Now go back to home page and click on Maps. Once your Google Maps open, click on the profile icon that is on the top right corner of the screen. Once you do that, you can see an option called Location Sharing. Click on it. After tapping onto it, you can see the list of people you are currently sharing your location with. Now click onto the profile of the person that you want to stop sharing your location with, then click on Stop. Once you click on Stop, you will stop sharing your location with that particular profile. Now if you want to stop sharing your location with each and every profile, then you have to move to each and every profile and follow the same steps. So this is how you stop sharing your location on Google Maps. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.